Alright, so we're going to be showing you how to install the 2015 to 2018 rear Denali seats into a 07 to 13 CrewCab. A lot of people told me that it couldn't be done, but we're doing research. I saw a couple forums, and they fit in. So we actually already started taking them out, and we actually already threw in the, I guess, the single one, the by itself. As you can see, everything fits OEM. All the bolt holes line up. You can see that. You can probably see it from back here. That one lines up. This one and the back one back there. And it looks pretty clean. And then so we got the other one right there. And it has that tan. So just there you have it. My boy's tightening the last couple bolts we need, the two back ones. But other than that, we got it all bolted in, and then we're gonna throw in the two Cadillac Denali ones in the front. There you have it. They're installed. (2015 to 2018) Denali rear seats inside of a 2008 CrewCab. We're gonna be putting in the front ones today. We already started by taking off the seat belts, and then we're probably gonna keep this one for now, just until his black leather one comes in. He might be doing the 2014 one, so might as well match the rear seats, or he might just do that one but black. I don't know yet, but it's gonna look way better with the dash being black. And then he said he's gonna do a headliner black and all his little plastics and stuff black too, so it's gonna come out pretty nice. Here's the back ones again. So you gotta take off, there's a couple plastics. There's this one, there's usually one in there, and then this back one right there. Oh, and then including the cover that goes right here for the seatbelt, and then to hold the seatbelt. Just pop these off. Oh, you never connected it back in?
No, I remember I was on the blunt. Fucking Austin never did.
Fuck, these shits are heavy. Alright, there you guys have it. Got the driver's seat one in. We're about to put the passenger's about to get bolted down. But since the connections aren't the same, we did have to find the wires for it, and then the ground and the two I guess the two positives, and then that way we could slide it back and forth. So we'll hook it up right now, and after that we'll slide it back and position it the way he wants until he what's it called, gets them fully wired in and everything. There we have it. There's the before. Some cloth gray, tan gray seats to full leather. We got the 2012 Denali seats in the front, and then we got the 2015 through 2018 rear bench seat in the back. Like I said, he's just waiting on that other center console, but like I told him it don't look too bad, just because his door panels are like that tan gray, and then also his headliner, but he wants to do it all black. I don't blame him. So came out pretty clean. This one just needs a drop and some wheels, but it's coming out pretty nice.